I'm Thủy. I'm currently a teacher at the IELTS workshop.
And I'm Homie, and I'm also a teacher from the IELTS workshop.
I'm currently focusing on the senior class.
And I teach sophomore and junior classes at the IELTS workshop.
Right, you stay first.
Well, I would like to sing anything I want, I think.
I love to sing peacefully. Maybe, perhaps.
Whatever song.
Right.
But you can go first.
Yeah. Really? You think so?
You can go
okay,
first.
that's fine. It's funny when I have a dream. I forget the lyrics. Oh my god.
So this is my favorite song. Is Price Tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money.
Yes, thank you. So are you guys ready to play the game now?
Sure, of course.
Completely.
Yeah, can't wait.
Let's start.
I'm Long, teacher of the senior course from the IELTS workshop, and I'll be the champion today.
So are you ready to play?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Okay, so since we have to touch all of these pieces of paper, so I think we should wash our hands first.
Really? Yeah, because of the virus. Okay,
Yeah,
completely
safety
agree.
first.
So I'll give it to you first.
Oh, sure.
Give me some. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Alright. Safety first.
Alright. We have to.
Ready.
Yeah, rub.
Yeah.
Okay, ready.
Let's get it. Okay. Wrecking ball. I came in like a wrecking ball. Despacito. Despacito. Quiero respirar con lo despacito.
Bang, 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 bang into the roof. Em dạo này có yêu đương một mình. I think so.
Fly me to the moon. Fly me to the moon and let me play among stars. Okay, next. My everything. Na 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 na. You are my everything. Okay, next.
Payphone. I'm at a payphone. Telephone. Tonight. Hình như em trong mong.
Can't hold it back. Sao tất cả mình trở về với nhau tựa như chưa bắt đầu. That's bad. Oh my god.
Don't stay away for too long.
So bad guy. I hate bad guy. I don't know. Can't go vì cùng giữa tay xoa 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 đều.
Next. Oh my god, this is genuinely stressful. You belong with me. You belong with me.
Gangnam Style. Oppa Gangnam Style. Yeah, yeah. When we were young. No. Kể các bà dài. I think this song is trendy, but I don't know. I'm sorry. The Greatest Showman. This is the greatest show.
This is the greatest show.
Okay, next. Happy. Because I'm happy. Na 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 na. I'm gonna na 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 through the whole thing.
Một đêm say. Oh my god. Có chàng trai viết. Say so. Oh my god, sorry guys. In my blood. I am
I will always love you.
And I will always love you. Kiếp đỏ đen.
Umbrella. Under my umbrella. Ella. Which one is this? Con cò bé nó đậu cánh trắng. This is so dumb. I love it.
Is this the sky? Happy. And I'm happy and I know it.
God's plan. No God. All I want for Christmas is you.
My heart will go on. This song is really famous, but can't remember it right now. Sorry.
This one. Trường mầm non. Hả? Ai hỏi cháu học trường nào thế? Oh, okay. Yay.
He's counting.
Hong Kong 1.
4.
Oh my god.
No, I'm not. No.
2, 1. Time's up. Sorry.
Love the way you lie.
We want to rewrite the stars. Okay. Yes. Oh my god. Woo.
So the result is here, and you got 12 points.
12.
Yes, just 12.
I was so bad at it.
Your points is 17.
Yay!
Thì anh nghĩ là anh sẽ được bao nhiêu bài?
Oh no. 25.
So your point is 25.
Oh my god. Oh, girl. Bring me the crown. Where's my crown? Where is it?
How do you feel being the winner?
I don't think this, indicates that I'm better than my competitors. It's just that maybe I deal better with pressure. So I got lucky, I think. But anyway, I won, so that's great.
Wow. Well, I screwed it up.
She did.
It was fun. It was really fun. Love it.
But you screwed it up.
Yeah, I screwed it up. And you, what you think?
No, it was fun. It was fun.
I tend to forget everything, like the lyrics, the melody of the song, when I'm under pressure.
Pressure is
pressure,
the worst.
It's sensible. It's really.
I wanna protect my championship, so let's we can play more games. We can play more games.
It's quite normal here. It's not really difficult. It's not really easy.
Yeah, it depends on our luck, I think.
But I think we can spice it up a little bit.
Yeah.
We can go to dancing. We can go to food.
That's great.
We can go to lots of stuff.
Shake it.
Yeah. Alright, so thank you so much for watching us.
We hope you had fun, just like we did.
And don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. And please comment below the things you want to do in the future.
And once again, we are teachers from
The IELTS Workshop.
I'm Thủy.
I'm Duy Long.
and I'm Hoàng My.
Nice to see you.
We screwed up. We screwed it. Boom clap, the sound of my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on. You don't know boom clap? You uncultured.
Bad romance. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Okay, imagine.
Fantastic.
Imagine all the people.
You should have known this song. Kiếp đỏ đen.
Ta mang bao tội lỗi, người ơi ta đâu có. Can't take my eyes off you. Easy. Thằng điên.
You just want attention.
Cái này để